Hello everyone on YouTube, Master of Cards here to bring you another card trick. First off, I'd like to give a shout out to my fellow YouTube magician, Anonymous Magician. He said he'd give me one, so I'm going to give him one first. Thank you very much for the advice you gave me on filming. So hopefully this is a better picture. A thank you present will be on its way to you very, very soon. So then, let's get into the trick. So for all sitting comfortably, I will begin. This trick is unlisted. It's not in my spellbook yet, because I just came up with it last night. It's called Air Raid, inspired by World War II. Well, hence why I'm using this deck. So, here we go. Just give it a quick shuffle. Sorry, let me try that again. There we go. Okay. So, as all good tricks go, let's pick a card, any card. Let's go for this one. Two of Diamonds. Okay. We'll just lose that into the deck and give the deck a mix up like such. There we go. And now we'll just give it a shuffle. Now, and the reason I called it Air Raid is because I'm going to do this. Drop some cards like this, as if they were bombs in an air raid during the Blitz. Oh, and while I'm here, I also like to say happy 100th birthday to Dame Vera Lynn. Right, and now for something new. Watch this. Mixing all three piles together at the same time. Not bad. I think I'll call that my Trident Shuffle. I think that's impressive. I'll just do that again one more time. I do that with the last one as well, just to make sure I'm not showing favourites. There we go. Yeah, not bad at all. And now just one more mix up, just to make it certain. There we go. And now we'll find your card in 3, 2, 1. There it is. Two of Diamonds. Well, that's the trick. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, Anonymous Magician, for the filming advice. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this and all my future videos to come. So, that's it for now. So, until next time, ciao!